currently in the bullet train, and this is its speed. 203 km per hour.
So we finally found the platform to take this bullet train. This is the Shinkansen.
Hi guys, currently we are waiting for this bullet train. If you want to purchase the JR pass, better you buy from your home. So they will give you an exchange ticket. Then once you reach Japan, go to the ticket counter, JR ticket counter, to exchange that exchange ticket.
Yay!
Finally, if you want to go on the bullet train, you need to come to Tokyo Station or Shinagawa Station. Then you need to book a reserved seat ticket. It looks like this. So we are taking the Ikari.
We are now in the train, and this is adjustable. How do you do it? Sorry.
From that side.
Oh, from this side. Then like. Okay, this is the famous Tokyo banana. Yeah.
Having it as a
Bye, Tokyo. So very luckily there are people who guide us to take bus to visit the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park.